Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Watch Chris Draw. So you got your new tablet, you're so excited to use it, but it's a little tricky. How are you supposed to draw on the pad while looking at the screen? The good news is you'll get used to it in a few days. And more good news, I've got a few tips to help things along. Because you've always looked where you were writing or drawing, with a tablet it can feel a little strange at first. You're looking at the screen, but your hand is drawing down below. Your brain now needs to interpret the signals from your hand to coordinate with the input from your eyes. A new connection needs to be made, and it takes some time and practice. Once the connection is made, however, you don't have to worry about it again. Tip number 1. Sit comfortably with good arm support and wrist mobility. Make sure your offhand can reach your shortcuts, whether you use the ones on the tablet or on your keyboard. Get a comfortable grip on your stylus. Be careful not to push the buttons, but have them in reach if you need them. I don't personally use them, but with a small shift of my thumb I can reach them if I need to. The back of the stylus is an eraser. I use my keyboard shortcuts, but you might prefer the stylus eraser. Find what works for you. Assign your most used shortcuts in your program of choice. This really smooths out the process. I, for instance, use space to move my canvas around. Brush is B, E is eraser, Control E is undo, Alt is the color selector, and you'll notice all of those are in a cluster around my left hand, so I can easily reach everything. You can assign any shortcut you want to, whatever works for you. If after a month of using your tablet every day you still aren't getting the hang of it, it might just be that your brain works a little differently, and that's okay. Get a Cintiq so you can draw directly on the screen. Technology is awesome that way. So I hope these tips helped you guys. If you have any tips to add, go ahead and comment and let us know. Until next time, take care.